equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a new compatible panel. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 for safety. Next, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back panel off. Now, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth. This ensures optimal performance. Look for any signs of wear or damage during your visual inspection. Next, take your new panel and align it with the device. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight but not overly so. After that, plug your Thermomix back in and test the new panel. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. For your convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple process. And don't forget, you'll receive a quote before repair. Enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix TM31. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.